Hello friends, my name is Raj and today I am going to solve a LeetCode problem of 18 June, and the problem is stated we have given two numbers hour and minute, and we need to return the smaller angle formed between hour and minute hand and answer with 10 to the power minus 5 of the actual value will be also accepted as correct one. Okay, so let's understand how we can find the angle between two hands. Okay, so let's this is the clock we have given, and I have made this a baseline. Okay, so what I will first find, I want to find the angle between these two hands and this, and we need to return the smaller one, that is this one. So how we can find? So we will find, as I take this one as a baseline, so I will find how much our minute hand has moved from this baseline. So how can we find? So in a clock, a minute hand moves 60 minutes. Okay, and in 60 minutes, it makes 360 degree angle. Okay, so in 1 minute, it will make 6 degree angle. Okay, yeah, in 1 minute, it will make 6 degree angle. Okay, and our hour hand will cover in 12 hour 360 degree angle. Okay, so in 1 hour it will cover 30 degree angle. So how will we will find that how much our minute hand has been moved? So we will check the how much minute is given and multiplied by minute into 6 degree. As in 1 minute, our minute hand will move into 6 degree angle. So total given minute, so our minute hand will move minute into 6 degree angle. Okay, similarly for the hour hand, if our hour hand value is our hour hand move in 1 hour 30 degree angle, so for in the given hour it will move hour into 30 degree angle. Okay, but if here is the case, as our hour hand also move when the minute will complete. Okay, so our hand also will move. Let me erase this all one. So here is 12 hour and here is 1 hour. Okay, our our hand, let me also erase this one. As our hand also move, not only also move if minute has given. So how much our hand will move in the minute? So how can we find? If we will find our hand will move, let's suppose in 1 hour it will move 30 degree. Okay, and 1 hour represents 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour represents 60 minutes. So in 1 minute our hand will move, our hand our hand will move, that is 30 by 60, that is 1 by 2. Okay, that represent 0.5 degree angle. Okay, yeah. After finding this one, how will we calculate? We will calculate by baseline. We will check how much our hand minute has been moved and how much our hand will move. We will subtract those one and we will find one angle between them. If my minute hand, let me erase this one. If my minute hand has been moved 180 degree, okay, and my hour hand will move till here. Till here means in the 30 minute our hand will move 15 degree. Okay, so 180 minus 15, that is 165 degree angle. This will represent, okay, if this will represent 165 degree angle, so what it will represent? It will represent 360 minus 165, okay, that angle, and we will return the minimum move. So let's go into the code panel. Let me remove this one. So let's code. We need to find the minimum minute angle. So how we can find? We have given that in 1 minute our minute hand will move into 6 degree. So we have given minutes. So our hand will move, our minute hand will move minute into 6. Okay. Similarly for the hand, our hand. So let me write our angle. So as I call, we have given our angle, and let me tell you that our angle, our value is goes from 1 to 12. Okay, so if I subtract our minus 12, that will tell you where our is, but it will also give you minus. Okay, so either you can do it absolute or you can also find it by modulo operation. Okay, this is so for the hour hand, in 1 hour our angle will move into 30 degrees, so I will do 30 plus. For the minute, let me also write minute, it will move 0.5 degree, so let me write 0.5. As 0.5 represent double data types, so I will take here double. Okay, so now I need to find the difference, so I will find the difference via how? Absolute of mean angle minus our angle, and we need to return the minimum of this one or this one. So let's compile and run. Yeah, it is correct one. Let me submit it. It is submitted successfully. I have provided this code. Let me forward this code here. The code solution for today, this for problem of the day. I will update here. You can check it here. I already updated the code for this problem of detail. You can also find the solution here. Let me update this one. This is deployed on the render. So because of cold start, it is taking time. Let me update this one. Today is 18 June and yeah, I have updated this one. Yeah, published successfully. So you can find in this site. Okay. Let me thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe guys. It motivates a lot to me.